Hello, myself Dr. Ashutosh. Today is World Homeopathic Day, that is 267th birth anniversary of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. On that occasion, I want to present one case of contact irritant dermatitis and its homeopathic management. So let's start. A patient, Mr. D.A., 38-year male patient who is 10th by education, who is working as a watchman in hospital, who suddenly called in the early morning at 7 a.m. requesting me to come earlier in the OPD. So I asked why so much earlier, is it any emergency? So he told he having the severe itching was since 3 days. After I went to the OPD, I took his data into the LSMC format, that is location, sensation, modality and concomitant format. He is a known cause of epilepsy. So here we see the location, sensation, modality and concomitant. In the location there is a skin eruption over his bilateral hand, over his forearm, over his wrist. The onset was sudden, which is continuous and progress since 3 days, but this he having the skin eruption since many days. As he is working in a hospital, so he might be due to continuous use of gloves or sanitizer. This complaint was itching aggravated by his scratching and better by his cold applications. So he having the itching, that is intolerable itching, which is the so he constant desire for the scratching. On examination, there is a dry eruption, there is a brownish gray eruption, thick eruption, there is a crack. He is due to this complaint, he become irritable and little tense. So here we can see the different eruptions on his hand, on his forearm and the wrist, as well as near the thumb. After taking his complaint, I moved to a physical general. His appetite was normal, thirst was normal, 3 to 4 liter per day, urine was 5 times per day, stool regular 2 times per day, desire and aversion, there is no specific desire and aversion, sleep disturbed due to his skin complaint. After that I asked his family history. There is no family history regarding skin complaint or no any allergic component. Past history, there is a 3-time patient was admitted for his convulsion. After I took his data, I go to his mental generals. He is worried for his skin complaint. He is irritable due to his skin. His anger from contradiction, anger on trifle, and he is obstinate by nature. After taking the data, I go for examination. On examination, BP was 130 by 80 mFHg, pulse rate was 88 per minute, then RR was 18 per minute, saturation was 98%. So systemic examination, RS, air entry bilateral equal, CVS S1 S2 present, CNS conscious and oriented. On examination, there is a dry skin, which is a thick brownish grayish discoloration, along with there is a crack. So on that basis, on the basis of its symptom, on the basis of its family history, past history, and on the basis of local examination, I came to a diagnosis of contact irritant dermatitis. I differential diagnosis of this case was allergic dermatitis, atopic dermatitis, and the scabies. As per Hahnemannian classification, apparition number 73, this case came under a dynamic, then under the chronic, and in the chronic there is a two segment, like disease with full developed symptom, disease with few symptoms. But here patient came for acute complaint, that is aggravated sudden since 3 days, that is acute exacerbation. So I thought it may be the expulsion of the latent sora of chronic complaint. So here after taking a case, we start a case processing. So here I arrange his all symptom into the symptom classification format. So symptom, there is intolerable itching +3, which is characteristic due to his intensity. Second, there is a eruption dry, brownish gray patch, thick and there is a crack. So it is common and pathological symptom. Then scratching desire, it is a common symptom. Fiery element from continuous use of gloves oblique sanitizer, so it is causative modality. Then aggravation by continuous, it is common and aggravating modality. Aggravation by scratching, it is common and aggravating modality. Better by cold application +3, which is characteristic symptom and also ameliorating modality. Then irritable, which is common and mental general, and tense +1 is the common and the mental generals. So if we see in this case, there is a very few characteristic symptom, more common symptom, and the symptoms which helping for clinical diagnosis, so clinical symptoms and lack of mental symptoms. So here if we collect all this data, then the here clinical repertory is useful in this case. So I use a boric repertory for the for further management. So on the basis of boric repertory, I repertorize this case. I took a two characteristic important symptom in this case. So one is the skin pruritus, itching of skin, and second skin pruritus, itching of skin, ambulation from the cold. So after taking these two rubric, I got a remedy: Fagoparum, Graphitis, Meserium, Agaricus. That's it. So by using a boric Materia Medica, I differentiate these three remedies like Fagoparum, Graphitis, Meserium on the basis of its skin character, that is pathology, also on the basis of its modality. In the Fagoparum, there is a itching, there is a sore red blotches of the skin, there is a vesicular pustular eruptions, and the aggravated by scratching, aggravation by touch, aggravation by retiring, and better by bathing in cold water. So this is a characteristic of Fagoparum. Whereas in Graphitis, there is a burning and stinging pain, there is a dry, rough, hard crack, unhealthy skin, and little injury suppurate. Along with there is a glutinous fluid, thin sticky texture. In Meserium, there is an intolerable itching, there is a chill with pruritus, there is an eruption. Under the eruption, there is a thick scab under which there is a purulent exudate. And in Meserium, there is a modality are like aggravation by bed, aggravation night, aggravation touch, and aggravation by damp weather. So if we see on the Materia Medica, the Fagoparum is more appropriate to our case. After selection of remedy, we move toward for potency and repetition of the dose. So here on the basis of susceptibility, on the basis of sensitivity of mind, and corresponding of the similarity in symptom and the pathology, modality with pathology and remedy, all this I consider all these things, and I come to a conclusion of low to moderate remedy and frequent repetition. So here I select Fagoparum 200 TDS for 10 days. Also I ask for moisturizing of the skin, so I ask him to use a petroleum jelly. Also along with prescription, we have a certain management like I ask him to find out any triggering factor which increase your skin complaint, so avoid it. Second, use of glycerin soap instead of harsh soap. And third, call me after 2 days or SOS visit. This is my follow-up criteria. The first criteria was itching, second eruption size, third skin discoloration, fourth crack, and fifth one is any new symptom. On the day second, he called me. There is and suddenly he was so happy that he told after receiving the second dose of Fagoparum, his itching was reduced. Sometimes he used cold water for his skin complaint. There is no new eruption, no new crack, there is no size increase. So patient was happy. After 10 days, he came to the OPD, he having 70 to 80% better. There is no itching, there is no eruption, no crack, there is a much improvement. So here we see a video.
हा बोला, तुम्हाला त्रास काय व्हायचा?
झाला खाज यायची.
हां हां
खाजा येत असताना ते खाजल्यानंतर आता ते दुखती व्हायची,
बरं,
खाजल्या ती
बरं.
पडायची.
बरं बरं
त्यानंतर मी डॉक्टर लोहिया सरांना, आशुतोष लोहिया सरांना दाखवलं
हां.
होमिओपॅथीला.
हां हां
त्यानंतर मला 1-2 दिवसांनी होमिओपॅथी चालू केल्यानंतर 2 दिवसात मला फरक जाणवला.
बरं बरं. आता किती फरक आहे तुम्हाला?
ह्याचा फरक एक 70 ते 80% फरक आहे.
Now here we see the after before the remedy and after remedy, how the miraculously homeopathy helping in such skin diseases. This is again here we see before and after. So learning from this case, I learned importance of observation, understanding the phagopyrum, understanding use of clinical repertory at bedside, importance of the modality selection for remedy, utility of homeopathic medicines in acute condition, and understanding the expulsion of latent sore. For that I took these are the reference. Thank you. Never stop learning because life never stops at teaching. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my session. If you have any doubt, please message me in the box so I can able to help you. Thank you so much.